I have to get Sock Monkey down somehow. Guys, help me. Guys, hey guys, where did everyone go?
Oh, they went home.
Wait, what?
They went home. Chad went home. You know, all of them went home.
Green Dog? That's true. They did go home. Oh man. Red Dog? They did went home. Stay here. We'll help them. Okay, I will. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Help! Oh, man, it's loud. Help! Oh! Oh! Sock Monkey! Sock Monkey! Sock Monkey! Sock Monkey! Help! Wait, Sock Monkey, weren't you just up down there? No, I'm stuck. We'll help you soon. Gotta go here. All right. I have to make a strategy to get him down. What's the strategy? Okay, one thing we could. Dogs, how do we get him down from there? Red Dog? It's kind of a little hard. I don't know. Green Dog? Maybe we could jump down? I don't think we should jump down. Yeah, maybe that's not a good idea. Brown Dog, what should we do? Well, oh! Well, fell down again. Well, he fell. I don't know what we should do. Let's try to help him.
Where am I?
Sock Monkey, are you okay?
I'm okay. Chad, where was I?
Well, you were asleep.
Asleep?
Yeah, you were like asleep for ages.
Ages? How long? What's that thing over there?
Oh, that's just the hospital thing. I don't know what it's called. Alright, how are you doing?
Oh, I feel horrible.
You fell. Did you remember? You fell.
Fell where?
Out of that thing, like, I don't remember what it was called, but it was like a thing where you climb on. You got stuck up there.
Oh, I remember.
You fell. You must have got hurt or something.
Really?
Yeah. You must have got hurt or something.
Oh. How long has it been out?
For like, I don't know, like maybe a couple hours. The doctor said you would be fine, but you're good, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Red, the other dogs are coming to see you.
Really? Really?
Yes, the other dogs are coming to see you. I'll be at the park if you need me, if you want to come back to the park.
Or maybe another day after I rest.
That sounds good, Sock Monkey. I'm sorry that you fell out of the park.
It's okay, Chad. It wasn't your fault that I got hurt. It was my fault. I should have got stuck in that tree.
So, Sock Monkey, where do you come from?
It's a long story. I was adopted when I was a monkey, a really young monkey.
Wait, but you don't have family.
That's the point. I was abandoned when I was young.
Really?
Yeah, I was abandoned. No family. I don't know who my family was. If I had a brother, if I had a sister, if I had a mother or father.
Oh, that's sad.
Well, I'll see you later, Sock Monkey. See you later, Chad.
So Chad, how is he? He's better. I wonder how he is. He's good, green blue dog.
Man, why don't people get my name right? Brown dog? I hope he's okay. He's fine.
Oh, I'm really sad about how he fell.
Yeah, I know. That was pretty sad. Brown bear? I'm really happy he's okay. So, what are we doing? Well, aren't you guys gonna see him?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Of course I'll see him. I'll see him. But people get my name wrong all the time. I'll try to get it right this time. What is your name? It's Green Dog. My name's Green Dog. See, my color's kind of green. Look. Say green. Green. All right. You can go in there. Bye, guys. Bye, 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 bye. Bye. See you later. Sock Monkey, how are you?
I'm feeling better, Green Dog.
He got my name right.
I'm happy. Of course I did. You're my friend.
Oh, thanks. Thanks, Sock Monkey.
So how you feeling, old champ? When you fell down,
my head hurts a little bit, you know. My head hurts a tiny bit, but I'm feeling better.
Good.
I'm happy you're feeling better. Thanks, Brown Dog.
I got a little messed up from that fall.
Really?
Yeah. The doctors say it's not going to be the same after that fall. They say that I might have to get an eye patch. What?
You heard me, Black Dog.
You heard me, Black Dog. I might have to get an eye patch.
No way, really?
Yes, I'm being serious.
I'm wondering how you are.
A little bit better. Brown Bear, why do you have a thing that says 2002 on you?
Well, my bear family did that for me, so I would know when I was born.
Oh, that's clever.
Yeah, I think that was why.
Okay. Thanks.
Anytime.
I'm happy you're alive. After that fall. Yeah.
Might as well let me rest. The doctor said I have to rest. The doctors say I'm still living from the vital sign there. Oh, I see.
Yeah. Alright. We'll leave you alone. See you in the morning. See you when you're out.
Alright. Thanks, dogs.